This is a sight to behold, a tribute to India's Iron Man Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. This magnificent statue stands 182 meters tall and is the tallest statue in the world. It may be the only reason for your visit, but there is plenty more to do. From a fun-filled day at the zoo to a relaxing evening in the Glow Garden, there is something for everyone. This location will astound all visitors, whether they are traveling alone or with family and friends. Stay with us. This graceful statue is situated in Kevadia, Gujarat. The statue is placed between the lush green hills and beside the river Narmada. The gentle waters of Narmada provide a serene and soothing atmosphere to the area. The statue is hidden in the hills and is not visible from roads just outside Ekta Nagar. The nearest airports are in Vadodara, about 90 kilometers away, Surat, about 160 kilometers away, Ahmedabad, about 198 kilometers away, and Mumbai, about 419 kilometers away. The option of driving is considerable due to the good condition of the roads. The road trip will provide you with a lot of scenic routes. We Indians have a special connection with our trains. So, the good news is that there is a railway station named Ekta Nagar, formerly known as Kevadia. At the time this video was uploaded, these cities had trains to Ekta Nagar, including a train with a Vista Dome coach from Ahmedabad. Please watch our video on Vista Dome for an amazing experience that they provide. Do check out the latest trains for Ekta Nagar, as SOU is gaining popularity and more trains are being added. The Statue of Unity would undoubtedly become one of India's most popular tourist destinations, but hotel options are currently limited. Narmada Tent City is nearby and the Ramada Encore is located near the SOU Parking Ticket Center. The Fern is another good hotel near the Ekta Nagar railway station. Following that, Garudeshwar area has many decent hotels. If you have a car, staying in Garudeshwar will be easy, but relying on public transportation at night may be difficult as there aren't many autos or tempos and the area isn't well lit. Since personal vehicles are not permitted near the Statue of Unity, all visitors must park in the SOU Parking Ticket Center and take the SOU office-operated bus to the statue and all other attractions. To ensure a great hotel at a reasonable price, we recommend making travel plans ahead of time. Check out online hotel reviews and get in touch with the hotels for more information. To book tickets, go to soutickets.in and click on Book Tickets. You must first log in with your phone number and OTP before you can book tickets. Around the Statue of Unity, there are numerous attractions, all of which are pretty good. Begin your reservation with SOU. There are 4 possibilities. The SOU entry ticket allows you access to the SOU complex, where you can go up to the statue and the exhibition gallery that is located beneath it. It costs 150 rupees for adults and 90 rupees for children. The SOU viewing gallery gives you access to the SOU complex. The exhibition gallery and a fast elevator will take you to the viewing gallery, which is situated at the heart of Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel. The summit offers breathtaking views. It costs Rs 380 for adults and 230 rupees for children. SOU Express ticket is useful if you don't want to stand in line for the elevator that leads to the viewing gallery and you're traveling on a weekend or a holiday. Be ready to shell out 1030 rupees for adults as well as children. SOU Foreigner VG is for our visitors from other countries, our Atithis. Click on Book Ticket, enter the date of your visit and select a time slot for viewing gallery. And now, the most important part. Please select the projection mapping, SOU campus, and select the slot which is 6 to 8 pm only. This will allow entry to a laser, light and sound show. You can notice that the slots are limited. Add the number of tickets needed and proceed to pay. If the main campus is packed, your next option should be to watch the event from the helipad, which is a little further away but has audio and seating. Please also look into the refund options. At the time of making this video, you could get a full refund if you cancelled 96 hours before your visit. Once you reach the Statue of Unity Parking and Ticket Center, head to this place and wait in queue for the SOU operated bus. Buses in SOU are included in the ticket price. We suggest that you sit in the row behind the driver's seat to witness the unveiling of the statue clearly. Your first glimpse of the statue will be a lifetime memory. Be enthralled by this new age wonder. You will be taken to the bus stop inside SOU. Head straight to the SOU complex. Show your ticket, and there is no need to carry a ticket printout as a soft copy on your phone is acceptable. Continue to security check, and as you come out, you will be treated to this magnificent sight. Welcome to Statue of Unity. Head straight, and if you have trouble walking, then hop on to the auto walk. Enter the exhibition gallery and start experiencing the journey of our Iron Man. How Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel helped unite India. There are sections for kids which are very interactive. Do not forget to take a pledge. The place is spotless and beautifully maintained thanks to hundreds of workers like Wamanji. As per your slot, report to the area in the middle of exhibition gallery to go up to the viewing gallery by a fast elevator. Enjoy the view and visualize Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel looking to his dream come true, which is the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Then go to the statue foot and enjoy being a hobbit. Believe it or not, you will be shorter than the toe. Spend some time there and witness the enormity of the statue. Head back towards the security area and grab a seat for laser light and sound show. This will be the highlight of your trip. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. It will surely give you goosebumps. After the wonderful show, make your way to the bus stand and go to the Glow Garden. This will be a unique experience and will give you plenty of photo opportunities. In the morning, plan your trip for the zoo. The zoo is huge and has many animals. Please watch our video on zoo and Glow Garden for details. Zoo hosts 2 big bird aviaries as well. There are many other attractions as well as activities like cycling and river rafting. Visit statueofunity.in for more details on booking. Make sure to visit Ekta Mall for souvenirs and handicrafts from all of the different states of India. These are the important tips. For the viewing gallery, take the 4 to 6 slot so that it is easy for you to attend the laser light and sound show without having to re-enter. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.